Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a NordVPN promo code that gives you serious discounts in 2025, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and Academy-level savings tips so you can lock in the best deal. Stick with me until the end, because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that saves you the most. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs worldwide, with thousands of servers, lightning-fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're a student, a gamer, a streamer, or just someone who values privacy, NordVPN is a smart choice in 2025. Here are the Academy promo codes you can try. Academy 83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. Student 20, extra 20% off for students and first-time buyers. Save 15, flat 15% off annual subscriptions. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. Each one of them will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. These Academy-level NordVPN deals won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and protect your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.